Hi folks, this is tutorial 9, question A, question 1, part A. I'm getting confused with my partitions already. And this was the question where we had to find the generating function for the sequences whose nth term, and in part A, each part occurs at most 3 times. And so the generating function for that looks like this, where you've got each part can occur 0, 1, 2, or 3 times. So for the parts 1, this corresponds to 0, 1, 2, and 3 times. And then for the parts that are 2, they can occur 1, 2, and I'll just do one more for 3. Try and make it neat. And this sequence in this form goes on infinitely because we're not told that there are any restrictions on what parts can be in it. And now, I know we were talking about this in tutorial today, and I know you want some nice way of being able to figure out what is the parts and what is the number of times they occur. So, okay, let's do that. When you say 1 plus x squared plus x3, the exponent, which is 0, 1, 2, and 3, those are the values that the parts can contribute. So if you're having a part of 1, you can have 0 of them, 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them. So that's why the exponents are 0, 1, 2, 3. And the number of them that you're allowing is the number of terms you put here. But the problem with that is you might come back to me later and you might say, but wait, Kirsten, we've got an x to the 6th here and an x to the 6th here. How can I tell the difference between an x to the 6th, which is 2 parts 3 times, or 3 parts twice? And the answer is we don't know. We can't tell from this method, which is okay because that's not really what this method is about, but it is an issue if you're trying to work backwards and figure out which, you're being told to actually explicitly state what the partitions are. It can make it a little tricky. But the whole point of this exercise is that the exponents are like the value that's being contributed by the part. So if we have 12 broken up into 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's 6, that's 10. So there are 2 parts of 2, but they're contributing 4 to the final answer, which is why it's an x to the 4th. So I hope that helps a tiny bit. It at least gives you the answer to 1A. The bracket parts are not infinite. They only have 4 entries in them, but the sequence itself continues infinitely.